In this video, I will show you guys step by step how to add your Amazon affiliate links to your Pinterest account just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial. So let's get started. So all you have to do, you just need to open your Amazon account like this. Go to your Amazon website, search for the product that you want to promote on Pinterest. For example, I want to promote this one, as you can see guys. So first step, click on this product picture, double click and save this picture to your laptop so we can use it to promote our Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. Okay, I'm gonna click on save and here you go. And what you will do next, you will go back to your Pinterest homepage like this and click over here on Pinterest, click on home feed, click on create pin, and here you go. You will be directly in this page. Click over here and upload this picture that you download for the product that you want to promote. I want to promote this one. Click on open and your picture about your product will be uploaded to your Pinterest account. You need to add title and description and your affiliate link. Let's start with the title. Go back to this product page on Amazon and copy this title. I'm gonna copy this part to show you guys. I will go back to Pinterest and I will put this description, this title here, okay? Like this. Description, I will go back to this Amazon product page and I will scroll down and you should see here about this item. This is the description about this product. I will copy this product like this description product, go back to Pinterest and put this description here. Scroll down, you need to put your affiliate link here. Go back to your Amazon, to this Amazon product page that you choose and click over here on text. So you should already have an Amazon affiliate account to see this bar over here. So you just need to click on text and copy your Amazon affiliate link from here. Go back to Pinterest and put your Amazon affiliate link here for this product. Scroll down, click on choose a board, and if you guys have a new account, click on create a board and you just need to give it a name and that's it. And you can create a lot. Okay, I already have a lot here. I'm gonna choose this one. Scroll down, you need to put here keywords. Okay, keywords about this product. Go back to this Amazon product page and you have here this title has keywords, so you just need to copy those keywords like this. Go back to Pinterest and put those keywords here, and after you finish, click on publish and here you go. That's how you can add Amazon affiliate links to your Pinterest account. Your Amazon affiliate link will be published like this. This is your product picture, this is your Amazon affiliate link, and this is your title and your description. Okay, it's super easy. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments and see you in my next videos.